Good afternoon. We are here at Able Trader in North Carolina, Greensboro, with Jenny and Mike. Mike's been working with us on the wheelchair today, and look at the amazing workshop they have with a huge collection of standing wheelchairs and normal wheelchairs. This is the biggest me and Jenny have ever seen. How do you feel, Jenny?
Yeah, amazing. So excited that to get fitted to this wheelchair. Customer service is amazing. Yep, and we got the power assist wheels on it too. Got the motion wheels on. Yep, so yeah, it's good to stand. So important for my recovery and my health of it.
Okay, you want to do the demo of standing wheelchair?
Yep, we're going up. Pretty spastic right now, so we're gonna go up slow. But it's really like fitted really well. What is this one? Is it the life stand wheelchair? Is it the name of this one? Life stand. This is a 2008 model, so it's a used model, but at Able Traders they sell them here. So they sell them for a really nice price. Originally I got quoted for a $20,000 chair. It was exactly the same as this. Exactly the same. And we got this for about, I think, 5,000, 4 to 5,000 ish. So yeah, and it feels really good. Feels just like a new chair. Fits like a new chair. So really happy with it. Got to work out the spasms, but that's the whole reason for standing, right? It helps you with spasticity, helps you with your bowel program, it helps you with urinary tract infections. So standing is super, super important. So very, very happy with Able Traders.
You want to hold the baby?
Sure. We want to show off the baby. The baby. Come here, sweetheart. So we got the fresh baby. Yeah. Say hi to Ashwin. He's a month and a half old.